Tell you, Craftsman gold. 6.7 horsepower. Ooh, even says 190 cc's. First start of this season. Barely started last season. We're dry of gas. Oil, exists. It is over full. Works for me. We're gonna pour our gas the right way. No filter. The filter was full of oil. Let's have a look and a walk around. I don't know how they cool these things if they just have everything all enclosed like that. This is the second attempt to cut grass with this mower. As you can see, she fails to chooch. We had to resort to archaic methods of cutting grass. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. This mower will be making another appearance in my mending channel, where we're going to go through and see what we need to do to make this chooch. Thanks for watching.